When I was ready to return to the workforce, I had 2 kids, no prospects, and no health care.
I was working crazy hours with no flexibility when my family needed me.
Sentíamos que nuestras carreras no iban para ningún lado.
Then I found a manufacturing job at Bell.
At Sanotec, and it changed everything for me.
I got great healthcare coverage that I wouldn't have found in a retail job.
I'm in an amazing work environment with a supportive supervisor.
Y hemos logrado subir a un nivel superior.
I never expected there to be so much opportunity.
So many benefits.
O muchas maneras de crecer en una carrera de manufactura.
But it truly opened up doors to a life I never thought possible.
Life can knock you down. A career in manufacturing can help you get back up and stay up. With full-time pay, benefits like healthcare and retirement plans, and supportive coworkers, you can thrive in a manufacturing job. And there are hundreds of cutting-edge manufacturers in the Hudson Valley, all looking for people to join their teams. Plus, many manufacturers offer apprenticeship programs where you get paid to learn a trade. As your skills increase, your wage can too. And upon completion of an apprenticeship, you'll earn a credential that is recognized by businesses across the country. Find your place in Hudson Valley Manufacturing today at hvmfgjobs.com.